Hi, Dave Whitehouse here. In response to customer demands for a compact spot with CMY colour mixing, but without compromising on quality, we introduce our newest fixture, CUETE. Based on and fitting within the identical compact frame of Spotty, CUETE features the same optical options: rotating gobo wheel, prism, colour wheel, and the innovative Roby technologies of C-Pulse for pulse width modulation control and super smooth L3 dimming. We offer an optional ePass internal network pass-through switch for network connectivity. This sustains Ethernet integrity even when the fixture has no power. EDM, DJs and club installations will appreciate the exceptional speed of CUETE. This makes it the perfect spot partner for the Leadbeam 350. The patented transferable engine is a more powerful 120 watts, generating over 4,100 lumens from the front lens with the same 6,700 Kelvin colour temperature, producing crystal clear white light. The CMY colour mixing system means you are not limited to just the colours found on the colour wheel, thereby greatly expanding your colour palette. Colour mixing is incredibly smooth in operation, with no distortion across the field. In combination with the exceptional optics, colours are consistent with no chromatic aberration, even when used in combination with gobos, giving definitive projection. A colour wheel with 13 dichroic colours is retained specially for those more difficult to mix colours. The rotating gobo wheel has the same 9 glass gobo designs as Spotty. These 15.9mm outside diameter gobos use our slot and lock system for a fast and easy change. A new aluminium static wheel provides 6 fixed gobos and 4 beam reducers. The 6 static gobos offer greater capacity and let you create dynamic moving effects when combining static and rotating gobos in a single projection. 4 beam reducers allow for narrower beam spreads for pin spotting, highlighting and beam effects. CUETE delivers a higher output, CMY colour mixing, a greater range of gobos and effects, and of course, Roby quality. Step up to CUETE colours. Thanks for watching.